my Jazzy Crew. Hey, my Jazzy Crew. Hey, my Jazzy Crew. Hey, my Jazzy Crew. Hey, my Jazzy Crew. How's everybody doing today? Yo, girl is doing amazing. Yes, y'all. Yo, girl is doing amazing. As always, y'all. Yes, y'all. Yo, girl is doing amazing. And y'all already see from the title below. Y'all already know what your girl is working with, honey. Yes, she is. She did that what? She did that broccoli salad, y'all. She did that cooking with Judy's broccoli salad, okay? And y'all, but before we get into it, let's do what we know best, y'all. Let's pray, okay? Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive, and let it be nourishing to my body. In your name I pray. Amen. Amen, y'all. Listen, hey, when I was making this, I wanted to literally just dive in it, because I'm going to tell you, when I tasted it was delicious. Hey, it was delicious. Hey, it was delicious. It was delicious. But just let me say this though, okay? What I didn't put in here that Miss Judy Caldwell, only thing that I'm sorry. Only thing that I didn't put in here was her mayonnaise and sugar. And oh, listen, we got that water. We ain't got that water, y'all. We got that water. We got that H2O, but we got that fusion water. Now I make these myself, but sometimes when I go to the store, I always pick up a few or two, because when I walk back home, I just drink one of these, and they be having them on sale for like 2 for $5, whatever. I don't mind. I get them because I like them. I make them here at home too. But y'all, like I said, I didn't use the mayonnaise or the sugar, but I used everything else. But I didn't do the regular bacon. I did turkey bacon. Okay. And for my dressing, this wig I got here is a little bit longer than what I thought it was. Okay. But that's okay. Because but I used ranch dressing in mine. And it was still good. I didn't put a whole lot, but it was still good. It's still good. And I know it's divine with her mayo and sugar. I know it is, but I just can't do the mayo. And y'all, so I put out 2 videos this morning of working out. Well, I put one out of just walking to the store. Just doing my morning walk and walking to the store. So, of course, y'all not going to be able to comment on that one. And it's okay. I was just doing it just because. But I also did give y'all a workout video too. I think I did 20 minutes. Yep. I did 20 minutes. Y'all, This salad here, and it's so refreshing. Excuse me, it's so refreshing. But before I go any further, let me give a shout out to the 5 fabulous women. Because fabulous, fabulous, we are, honey. We are truly fabulous, okay? Listen. So y'all go check out Miss Eating Good. Go check out that Hood Girl too. Go check out Kicking It with Lynn. And go check out It's Veggies World. Y'all also go check out Judy Caldwell, Cooking with Judy Caldwell. Go check her out. And this is where I got her recipe from, of her doing, hers was looking better than mine, but she did the broccoli salad, and so that's where I got it from Miss Judy Caldwell, okay? So go check her out, y'all. Also, let me give her a shout out and a thank you to the Muscle and Marriage. Thank you, Muscle and Marriage, for putting me out there in the community of wearing your shirt. I had purchased a Blessing Session shirt through them, and I don't know if you guys watched them or not, but you can go over there and check them out. Go check out Muscle and Marriage. And then when you go check them out, and if you like them, if you watch them, if you comment down below, let them know that Jazzy V sent you over. And I would appreciate that. Thank you so much. Also, go check out Key Cam in the film too as well. And y'all, let me shout out and say hello to my Miss Cinnamon, my Miss Rochelle. And then I can't forget my number one, my blood, my blood. I can't forget my blood. Y'all, let me give a shout out to my great niece, Miss Mia. Hey, boo, auntie, love you. And then also let me give a shout out to my great nephew. Hey, DJ. DJ in the house. DJ in the house. DJ in the house. DJ in the house. Hey, DJ. So, yes, y'all. So, yeah. But again, go check out Muscle and Marriage. They're awesome people. They're awesome couples. And she's very inspiring. And she has other things. She's on Facebook as well. And she have a podcast. But just go check her out. Go check them out. And then don't forget to let them know that Jazzy V sent you over. But y'all, let me tell y'all something. Oh, also Miss Bless Row. So, tell your baby girls, thank you for watching me. Thank you for liking my song. Thank you. And also, my niece. So I want to say my great niece is 9. And I want to say that my great nephew has to be like 7. I want to say somewhere there. And yeah, they want to start their channel, but I don't know when they're going to start. I don't know what their mom and them doing, but they said they're going to start it soon. But yeah, so. And then also, I'm going to do the thank you for commenting and let me know down in the comments about a dish. I will do the cinnamon's dish for you. Also, Miss Eating Good, my auntie, thank you too. I'm going to do that too. Thank you for saying the broccoli. So I went on and did the broccoli though anyway. And I am going to do the chicken one too. And thank you to all the new subscribers out there. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you continue to stay. And I hope you enjoy. I do. And the ones that's already been here, thank you and welcome back. Yeah. Yeah. I'm shaking my head because this salad is the bomb diggity. Listen, take that bite. Look at that. Just look at that good, amazing carrots, onions. Let's see, wait a minute. That's broccoli, carrots, onion, and cheese. Oh my goodness. What you say? What's that now? Okay. So I'm gonna go back and watch. I got a couple of more people I need to go back and watch. I think it's Hood Plate. No, not Hood Plate. Dang it. It's another. I forgot her name, and I think she be on the road. Do she drive the truck for the road or whatever? Does she go from town by herself on the road? I'm gonna go back over there and look. I'm gonna go watch hers. I know I be missing a lot of people's videos. I know I do. But some of them don't have it where you can hit the notifications, but where you get notifications that they put a video out there. Like Miss J, like that hood girl too. I have to just go to her page and see if she did a video. And the only way, and with Miss Lynn, with Kicking It with Lynn, sometimes when I hit on Facebook, when I get on YouTube, she pops up. She's automatically on there. Her face automatically pops up in whatever, Or sometimes I have to go over there and look too. But, which is okay. But, and why it's okay for them is because, see, they already in my head Kicking It with Lynn. Good girl too. Because they the fabulous women. Why would I never forget to watch them? They number one when I turn on YouTube. If they have a video out there. Now here you go. Now Miss Lynn do have a video out there, and I haven't watched it yet. I don't think no. I don't think I have. I think it's the soul food video. Cause she did a soul food live video yesterday. Now I did see some of it. I didn't get to watch all of it because I was doing something, so I didn't get to watch the whole thing. But I can go back and watch it. I will go back and watch it. But I did watch it all the way because she had to put that cornbread out. So I'm going to go back and watch that because I didn't really get to see exactly what she cooked and how she cooked it. And that part I wanted to see. So y'all, this is funny because a while ago, well, not a while ago, just last week, actually. I totally forgot that I had ordered a couple of wigs off of Amazon. This was one of them. But this is a wig hat, okay? Now, when I seen it, it didn't look this, and it didn't, I don't think I remember, see, sometimes when you do see, that's why I said, see what I'm saying? And y'all should read between the lines. But anyway, I didn't think it was that long. But when I tell you this joker is long, it, only way I'm going to wear it outside is going to be in a ponytail. I'm going to have it pulled back in a ponytail with the hat on. But I had ordered a total of 3 of them. Baby, when I tell you. Now, don't get me wrong. The wigs are cute. The colors busting. But they're long. And one, I'm going to try to fix this one because I really like this other one because it's the color that I got. Love it. I'm going to fix it up though to wear. It's going to be cute when I do it right. I just got to take my time and do it. Now, y'all, this salad here is so refreshing, okay? And so light. Yeah. I can eat this whole bone. Like, I can sit here and eat this whole bone. Which I'm just not, because it's so light. There's nothing heavy about it. Nothing. Look at that. That is so light and refreshing, okay? Literally. Literally. And I put a lot of bacon in here. I love bacon. I can eat bacon all day long. I can eat a whole pack of bacon. I eat bacon. As a matter of fact, I eat bacon like every other day because the fact that I work out every day, I have to eat something. I have to put that food back into me, that nutrition back into my body. And so I try to make sure I eat a breakfast, a lunch, and a dinner. Now, I don't eat breakfast every day. And I don't eat 3 meals every day. I don't. It's hard to do. It really is. But I do shakes too, a lot of smoothies or whatever. And but I do bacon like every other day. And when I do bacon, like one day I do bacon, like today I did my turkey bacon, okay? And then like tomorrow, I won't do no bacon. But I eat it like a heavy meal, or try to. But I do my smoothies in the morning. But then the next day, I have bacon and a piece of bread. Well, one piece of bread. So that's like an every other day thing that I do with the bacon. And now that I have made extra bacon, I put that up for tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, but the next day. Because I did bacon this morning. And then I have this bacon. I won't do no bacon tomorrow morning. At all. No. I sure won't. And y'all, I'm trying to come up with... And Miss Caldwell gave me... And she was like... Miss Caldwell was like... That the fruit bowl mukbang I did... She was like, that could have been a challenge. You could have did that fruit bowl as a challenge. But I didn't think of that. So, but I'm going to come up with something. I'm trying to come up with something. Trying to come up, and everything I think of, I've looked in there and I see people already done it, or somebody already created their challenge. But I did watch this one lady do a challenge, and I want to try it. And I think I'm gonna do it. So like, I think that's another reason why I'm eating real light too. Because I'm gonna try this challenge tomorrow, as a matter of fact, and then this week I'm doing my rice. I'm doing the dirty rice meal. And do that one. But tomorrow I'm gonna try this challenge. I'm gonna do it with the turkey hamburger, with the ground turkey rather. Yep. I'm gonna do it with the ground turkey, but I'm gonna give it a try. It never hurts to try. Yep. And I don't mind doing challenges. I don't. But I tell you, it's hard trying to watch everybody's channels. Because sometimes your eyes get tired of watching videos too. And sometimes you get tired. I do. Can't speak on nobody else. For me, sometimes I have to chill out a day or two. Give it a break. I have to. So, let me see where I'm at. Because this is going to be a short video, y'all. Because I already put a workout video out there. So, I think it'll be okay to make this a short one. These nuts are good. Ooh, with this here, this is really good. Let me tell you something. You do the top half, when I tell you, I would have never thought of this. I never seen nobody make it. Not even my mom, and my mom cooks. And my dad cooks, but well, my dad, that's his soul. He was a cook. He was the cook. But I never came across this. I don't believe. No. So thank you, Miss Judy Caldwell, because I will be doing this again, not on camera and off camera. I sure will. Thank you. But what I didn't do was put enough. Next time I know to put enough raisins in here. But you don't want to try like she said. She said try that, well, not try, but she said you can do the sesame seeds. And so also I was thinking, not necessarily just the sesame seeds, but you can also do those dry cranberries. And I was going to get some, but they only had that real big. I'm about to buy that one right now. But I didn't have enough cash on me. I didn't take that much, cash with me. Because I probably would have bought it because I could have had it for later, for another day. But they had the big bag for like $6. So, but I only took a certain little amount of money with me. I did that because I knew that I didn't want to be walking back with no big old bags. Because I will do it. Your girl, she love to get that water in, okay? Look at me, Grace, start getting hot. I'm ready to snatch this wig off. This hat out. But yes, y'all, this was good. It was delicious. Thank you again, Miss Judy Cobwell. Thank you again. Woo. Your girl is hot on fire. She's hot on fire. Hey. And she don't know what she's singing. Okay. Y'all gotta go to the doctor Wednesday. Get that thing on out of my face. It puts y'all in my face. Not that close. Wait a minute. I know y'all probably like, girl, we don't want to see you that close. I'm sorry. There we go. I just wanted to move that out of my face. Oh, I can relax my arms peacefully. But y'all, that was good. Ooh. That must be a piece of carrot. Oh, excuse me, it could be the something. It's in my tooth. Y'all. Don't y'all hate when stuff get in y'all teeth? I do. It's irritating sometimes. Y'all saw I got my other sauce. I kept saying, oh, I ain't order no more of that sauce. I ain't getting no more of that sauce. And I steadily do. Steadily do. Yeah. But y'all got all this doggone hair. Look at all this hair. Shoot. Like, literally. Like, are you kidding me? Look at this. But you know what? People like wearing all this hair. I know Miss B Love be wearing all that hair. Like that. I think. Now they did say this type of hair you have to be careful with because it'll get tangled. I wonder like if I could put like a little no. It's cute though. I like it actually. But right now the fact that it's hot, now this cold, when it's cold, I said all that hair can save your back, be warm as ever. Got all that fur back there. Got all that fur back there, y'all. But listen, y'all, again, do me a favor. Do your girl a favor, okay? Yeah. Do her a favor. How they get way up there? But anyway, so don't forget to like. First of all, watch this video, okay, y'all? And then when you watch this video, like this video, comment on this video, share this video. Y'all subscribe to your girl Jazzy V, okay? Come on over. I would love to have you. And then don't forget to do what? And all this don't take nothing but a hot skipping and jumping. It don't cost you nothing to do it, okay? Ring that bell, y'all. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Hey. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Ring that bell, y'all, so that way you can be notified every time your girl Jazzy V, yes, post a video. And then y'all, at the same time, don't forget to go check out the 5 Fabulous Women, because fabulous we are. Okay, go check out Miss Eating Good, go check out that Hood Girl 2, go check out this Veggies World, and go check out Kicking It with Lynn. And then y'all, don't forget to go check out Muscle and Marriage. And when you comment and watch their videos, let them know that your girl Jazzy V sent you over. And then don't forget to check out Cooking with your girl Judy, Cooking with Judy Caldwell. Check her out. I'm gonna have her link in my description box below as well. And then again, hello to my great niece Mia, and hello to my great nephew DJ. Y'all, be blessed, stay safe, enjoy your life, and live your life to the fullest, okay? I'm going to leave you with that. Live your life to the fullest. Yeah, because I am. Because I'm just going to let this video just stop on its own. Okay, y'all? No, I'm not. Peace. Love y'all.